You are not fooling anybody when you say that what happened was a natural disaster. And it is gonna send us back to the Stone Age!
Come to Leicester Square and close it off and have a big opening. It makes it unique.
It's so surreal.
I haven't really seen premieres this big before.
It's always exciting to have a movie open in London.
It's fantastic.
Loved Godzilla and playing with my Godzilla toys and absolute boy destruction of buildings and things. But the thing that really drew me here is the character component. And my character has a very tight relationship with his wife and with his son, and so there's a lot there to be gleaned, and it's unusual for a monster movie to have such important character arcs to it, to the narrative.
For me, my character is very much so a caretaker and nurturer, and haven't really been able to do that before.
The director really had such a strong vision for how he wanted to shoot this, and he really wanted to do a character-driven film, even on a big scale.
We want there to be like the level of performance and emotion that you'd have in some Oscar bait movie. It just happens to have a giant monster in it.
The arrogance of man is thinking nature is in our control, and not the other way around.
One of the best things about Gareth is that he has a very specific idea of what he wants to do.
He has so much confidence in special effects and in that world of film.
I think he's a fantastic filmmaker and a great director. He works really well with actors.
We will find this thing. It is imperative that we do so.
We're such huge, passionate fans that we wanted to make sure, both using the technology that's available today and to really try to make it plausible.
It's not what you think when you think of Godzilla. Like we've tried to put a bit of heart and soul into it and some emotion.
It's a really epic, awesome film.
I think hopefully there's a lot more suspense.
Go see Godzilla.
You're a weapon.